What's up, men? Just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this rifle scope from MIDTEN. This is the 3x9x40 and it is a combo, has a scope and a laser. Alright, so I have already taken a look at this, and the contents may not be packaged the exact same way as they are when you get yours. Box itself is just kind of a fairly generic box. It doesn't even have the name on it. Does have the batteries. These go for the laser, and it has batteries, a cleaning cloth, and a tool to make your adjustments, and those batteries go for the reticle of the optic itself. And then it does come with these rifle scope mount, and it is set up for, we'll say, kind of like a pick rail. I mean, it will grip onto the sides of the Picatinny rail, do what it needs to do, and you can make those adjustments as you need to. Alright, and it comes with the tool to tighten those scope mount. Alright, now let's take a quick look at the optic itself. It does come with some basic instructions if you need those. And here is the optic. It does have the lens cover for the front and rear lens. The optic itself is made of good quality. It feels nice and solid, especially for its price. It does have a easy adjustments right here on this lever to go between the 3 to 9. It does have some adjustments here you can make for eye relief. It does have this little push button laser that is bright, but you can unscrew and remove it. Alright, all in all, for what the scope is, let's see if I can actually get a shot of what they're calling the it is the rangefinder reticle. So it's going to have some little tick marks. I think you can see them in there. Going to have a couple little tick marks there that you can use for finding and adjusting the range. All in all, for what you pay for this thing, not a bad little scope. Not what I'm going to throw in my battle rifle, but it'll work if you're just needing something to take a look down range. So if you need an optic and this fits the bill for you, go check them out.